Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello everyone. So yes, my husband bought me a box of succulents again from Mountain Crest, and this is what he got me this time. Yep, that's two packages, but of course it came in a one box, and I am supposed to do a unboxing, but um the box came this morning or this noon, and it's so hot, so I have to make sure that to evaporate the hotness. So that's why I've already opened the box. I pre-open it. So let's just take the plants out in this box so that we can see what's in here. But as you can see from that paper, it's Sempervivums. So let's just remove these. I have another box right next to this box because I am inside the living room again. It's already night outside. It's not dark yet, but the mosquito are so bad. So that's why I need to do it in here. I am a mosquito magnet, so that's why. So I'm just going to put this shredded paper right here in the next box. That way I don't damage my succulents. And I'm so excited already. I can see plant already. Yep, there we go. There's the first one. It looks so nice. Just look how beautiful this is. Ooh. Look. Oh, this is not in a pot. I think that's how they advertise it. So, ooh, look. It has a baby. It's so full of babies. See that? So I have here 369 plants. Let's see how nice this is. See? Oh, this is so big. Look how big this is. And the baby is already big too. See that? Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. So I have 9 beautiful Sempervivums in here. Oh, those babies just, it's all right. I'm going to deal with it a little later. This is so beautiful. Okay, let's see the next one. Oh, where to put now? Okay, I'll put it on the floor. Okay, let's see this one. Oh no, I saw a little baby down here. See, I need to get those. Poor thing. See, I got 2. I think that's all. Yeah, I think that's all the ones that got loose. So this is a very, very huge plant. I think we paid 75 all in all with these with all of these succulents. And I have, let's see again the paperwork. I have 25. So this is the 25 pieces here, 25 plants. And the first one that I took has 9. So that's how much I got from this package. So this is so beautiful. I love it. Okay, let me show you. Let's pick this one here. Oh, it's just so big, so packed. Okay, this one is good. Look, so neat. Just look how nice this plant is. And there's a little baby. Some of the little babies are just, look, but that's all right. I can still grow that. I did grow a baby like this before. So they're just going to grow back. See that? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 4 heads in one plant. So, and look at this one here. This is so huge. Oh, just look how beautiful this is. I don't know the names. It doesn't have names. So it has 2 little babies. I mean, it's not little, it's big now. Oh, but look, it's damaged. But I think that's all right. That's a old leaf, so that's all right. So beautiful. They're all so beautiful. So I think I have 2. I know this is different. Look. I am so happy with this one. Thank you so much, my love. Equip Yourself Life Skills for getting me one of these. I am so happy with your gift. I love it, you know it. Thank you so much. So that's all for today's unboxing. And yes, I am going to do a arrangement of this one because these succulents can grow outside all year round. So I am going to make a different arrangement, and I'm just gonna do all of these ones, all Sempervivums in one arrangement. So so that's all we got. I think I have some doubles, but that's all right. It's still beautiful. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this one here, oops, this one here don't survive the last winter. I have one like this and it did not survive the winter, so I think I am going to put this in a different arrangement. I have 1, 2, 3 of that kind. It looks the same, but I think they're different. So still, I'm going to arrange it differently. I'm not going to put it all together with this one here because I don't want them to die this coming winter. So anyway, I have another one like that here in this package. So I love this one. It is so beautiful. See how beautiful that one. Okay, I am so tickled with this succulents I got this one. Thank you so much, my love, for my new succulents. I am so happy. I am so pleased with it. So that's all for today's video, folks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you on my next video. Bye.